Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, universal garage door opener, fog lights, security system. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.